Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Off-Road's Tub Rail Tie-Downs for Jeep's JK and JL Wranglers. Step 1. Remove any accessories currently installed into your vehicle's tub rails until after the tie-downs are placed. This includes any of our storage bins, racks, and even your hardtop Torx bolts. Step 2. Determine the orientation you'd like for the tie-downs, as they're driver and passenger side specific, but can be swapped by rotating them to face inboard or outboard. Place the tie over its respective holes with any accessories placed underneath. Secure it down with 2 of the included hardtop knobs, 4 washers, and nuts with a 13mm socket. If you own a hardtop, you do not need the hex nuts or 4 of the washers. Repeat on the opposite side. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Tub Rail Tie-Downs.